Hello, everyone. I'm here, Mandana, on my show called Let's Talk About It. And again, we are here with a very interesting guest called Aksa, and she is an interactive somatic therapist. And I was just having a lovely conversation with her, and I want you to know that there is so much that you will going to learn from this episode that will be changing your life. So thank you so much for being here. Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. So tell me, Aksa, more about yourself. How are you? What do you do? What does this mean? What is this term? First, let's just talk about the terminologies we're using.
Yeah.
Okay, what does these mean?
So, integrative somatic therapist is in very simple words, right? What I do is I combine different approaches of therapy, okay, with how it affects our body. So, somatic therapy is the a therapeutic approach in which we pay attention to our body and try to understand our body's language. Right? So very simply put, Mandana, that's my work, right? Not just what's happening in our brain or in our heart, right? But how is the two of these impacting the overall behavior of our body? Right?
Beautiful, beautiful. So when we say somatic or when we say body, how do we interconnect what you're saying it with the pain or our fears or how does this help, like what does it do?
So if there is somebody जो anxiety experience करता है, right, or depression के symptoms experience करता है, right, or if somebody's gone through something like abuse or violence in their childhood or in their teenage years, whenever they talk about it, right, they will experience certain sensations
In their body.
ठीक है, in their body, right? Something as simple as के people who are depressed or people who do experience depressive symptoms, they have trouble getting out of bed. Right? So it's not just in our brain. It's not just happening emotionally to us, it's impacting our body. Right?
Yes, of course.
So it's the language of somatic therapy or the goal of somatic therapy is very simple, that you have to understand whatever it is that you're talking about, whatever it is that you're feeling, how is it connecting with your body and the kind of impact it's leaving in your body. राइट अगर सिर्फ डिप्रेशन दिमाग में है जो हमारी सोसाइटी में कहा जाता है कि इट्स ऑल इन योर हेड राइट जस्ट गेट आउट ऑफ बेड इट्स ऑल इन योर हेड it's not all in my head, it's making me physically paralyzed. I can't get out of bed, I can't do the basics कि मैं वॉशरूम जा सकूं या मैं शावर ले सकूं. कहने को बहुत छोटी बात है, but that lethargy, that's a physical manifestation of depression. Right? So physical therapy or somatic therapy is about कि आप कैसे उसको डील करते हो. Right? Now, one of the things is कि हम आके as psychotherapists, client come in, they talk to us about their issues, they want to work on their goals, right? Sometimes clients have deeper needs than that. Sometimes सिर्फ बात करने से नहीं आपके issues resolve हो रहे होते, आपको energy, motivation फिर भी नहीं feel कर रहे होते, right? So that's when you incorporate somatic therapy. A small example is a lot of times people who experience social awkwardness. उनसे बात नहीं की जाती. Social situations.
Yes.
नए लोगों के सामने nervous हो जाते हैं. Right? That is your cue that आपके जो भी challenge आ रहा है mental health उसकी एक physical manifestation हो रही है.
So when we talk about depression, like, okay, that's a word very familiar, very commonly thrown around.
Yeah,
and
even misused
I
sometimes.
misused, yeah. So tell me, Aksa, अगर मुझे depression है, मुझे कैसे उसको identify करना है? As an adult, how can I tell कि मुझे depression हो रहा है? What are the signs and the symptoms that you would see in a person and tell that person कि आपको depression है? अब उसके लिए आप ये चीजें कर सकते हैं.
So if I were to first talk about the signs and the symptoms, right? Not just from the somatic lens, but integrative lens, right? So depression में क्या होता है? एक sense of hopelessness आती है, ठीक है? एक sadness होती है, right? In pop psychology, one other problem that we are experiencing as therapists, because Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा pop psychology चल रही है कि अगर आप sad है तो आप depressed है, अगर आप lazy हैं तो आप depressed हैं. Sadness, laziness, टेम्पररी लैक ऑफ मोटिवेशन ये डिप्रेशन नहीं है, दीज आर जस्ट ह्यूमन इमोशंस.
हम्म,
बट अगर आप ये चीज कंसिस्टेंटली फील कर रहे हो, अपनी जिंदगी के हर मरहले में फील कर रहे हो, राइट, तो फिर वो डिप्रेशन है.
हम्म,
राइट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं आज सुबह सो के उठी हूँ और मेरा मूड नहीं अच्छा हो रहा, ठीक है, गुस्सा आ रहा है, जो भी हो रहा है, सैडनेस हो रही है, जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं डिप्रेस्ड. लेकिन अगर मैं रोज सुबह उठती हूँ और रोज सुबह एक सेंस ऑफ हेवीनेस और एक सेंस ऑफ यार क्या पर्पस है जिंदगी का, मैं क्यों उठ गई, अच्छा दिन शुरू करना है, अच्छा ये करना है, इफ आई एम कैरिंग दिस सेंस ऑफ ड्रेड and a sense of consistent hopelessness, that's some of the symptoms of depression, right?
So you're getting up sad, you are not even getting up from the bed is major symptom of depression. And as Aksa puts it, that there is another thing that you might feel that every relationship or every situation you are feeling sad. So okay, so now tell me what are the somatic works that one need to do, as I understand, for them to and for them to help them get out of this phase. Like when you were saying, we were talking कि it's the first thing is to take the action.
Yeah.
अगर आपसे बिस्तर से नहीं उठा जा रहा तो what are the steps, like as आपके माइंड में क्या होना चाहिए जो आप करें तो वो आप क्रॉस कर लेंगे थ्रेशोल्ड.
So, very basics, or we call it like I like to call it baby steps, right? Let's take the same example, depression. बेड से नहीं निकला जा रहा, ठीक है? What is that one task that you can do? ठीक है, अगर बेड में लेटी हुई ही हो, नहीं निकलना है, सही है, नहीं निकलना. What is it that one way you can move your body in bed, right? Then take it to step 2. हाउ एल्स कैन यू मूव योर बॉडी इन बेड? ठीक है, अंगड़ाई ले लो, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच कर लो, पीछे होके पाँव ऊपर कर लो, इस तरह के मूवमेंट्स. व्हेन वी क्रिएट ये माइनर मूवमेंट्स ना अपनी बॉडी में, लाइक डांस इज नो, ऑफ कोर्स इट डजंट अप्लाई टू the example we are talking about, but dancing is one of the best ways
of
to experience somatic therapy, because dance में क्या होता है, हम अपनी बॉडी को शेक कर रहे होते हैं, डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स मूव कर रहे होते हैं, तो बहुत ही जो है ना एक न्यूरोलॉजिकल ना एक एनर्जी मूवमेंट हो रही होती है हमारी बॉडी में, और जो मूवमेंट हो रही होती है ना हमारी बॉडी में, राइट, दैट इटसेल्फ कॉजेस chemical movements in our body.
Yes. So beautiful. So, how do you tailor a session with an individual when you get a client?
So when I get a client, my first and foremost thing that's important for me is to spend a good amount of time, 2 to 3 sessions, just understanding the client, understanding what's happening to them, why are they coming to therapy, their context, रिश्ते क्या चल रहे हैं, काम क्या चल रहा है, and then focus that understanding into how is that affecting the client's physical health. Right? What kind of recurring thoughts are occurring? What kind of demotivation is happening? Okay? What kind of physical symptoms of everything that's going on is happening? And after that, we move into what I like to call it is goal-oriented sessions. कि ठीक है, आपने let's say आपको motivation नहीं हो रही अपनी job से resign करने की, ठीक है, so वो आपका एक गोल बन गया है, right? And then you have goal oriented sessions, and within that then I combine things like breath work, mindfulness, meditations, body exercises. One very simple tool, right, for nervous system regulation is box breathing. जब हम बॉक्स ब्रीदिंग करते हैं तो इमीडिएटली हमारा जो नर्वस सिस्टम होता है, जो ये हिस्सा होता है हमारे ब्रेन बॉडी का, वो थोड़ा सा कामनेस की तरफ चला जाता है, बिकॉज हम इंटेंशनली पॉजेज ले रहे होते हैं. Now, those intentional pauses are important for our regulation, right? So, a usual session is like that. कि आप पहले मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि क्लाइंट को प्रॉपरली अंडरस्टैंड किया जाए. आफ्टर दैट यू टेलर ईच सेशन कि अच्छा यार, आज के सेशन में अगर हम ट्रॉमा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो फ्रॉम माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्लाइंट की बॉडी में ट्रॉमा कैसे स्टोर हुआ है, एंड मुझे क्या एक्सरसाइजेज इनकॉर्पोरेट करनी है, ब्रेथ वर्क की, मेडिटेशन की, माइंडफुलनेस की, बॉडी मूवमेंट्स की, कि वो ट्रॉमा को रिलीज किया जाए. जैसे टीआरई हो गया.
Yeah. Okay, so beautiful. I think what is the main understanding here is that हमारी बॉडी जो है वो एक पूरा मशीन है. It's like a whole machine, not just the
Absolutely.
mind.
Absolutely.
And we have to understand that any disease we go through is a dis-ease of our own self, our own feelings, our own discomforts that we experience in our life. And through these therapies and through these things, one can get out of that pain and do not suffer from it. Because I think suffering is. Pain is inevitable and suffering is optional. So I would love if you people would understand the basic cycles of these things and try to experience these things on as little as Aksa said beautifully कि बिस्तर में ही लेट कर थोड़ा सा movement कर ले and that will give you a shift.
Yes.
Very well said. So so simple body practices can do that. You mentioned breath. So okay, let's let's give some basic breath work examples. What would you give a takeaway कि आप इस तरह की breath work कर लें, खुद से कर लें and experience the change?
My personal one would be 5 4 3 2 1. Okay.
Okay.
So 5 things that you can see. So अपनी सांस के ऊपर focus करते हुए जहाँ पे भी बैठे हुए हो, ठीक है? Just what are the 5 things you can see in this room? ठीक है? 4 things that you can name. ठीक है? 3 things that you can touch. Right? 2 things that you wanna feel. Right? And then 1 thing can be anything that you want to specify or remember for yourself. Right? It's a slight modification that I like to do. The traditional approach is a little bit different of 5 4 3 2 1, but my favorite one is that. Why? Because it doesn't need anything. It's a quick shift.
Yes.
ठीक है? और आपको एक फौरन से ना एक sense of control मिल जाता है. Especially if you are somebody who experiences a lot of anxiety and a lot of confusion. Because doing something like this incorporates you mindfully into your environment कि ये आपका मेरा कमरा है, अच्छा यार मुझे ये समझ आ गया है. ये जो एक थॉट शिफ्ट होता है ना, समझ आ गया है, तो अचानक से आपके ब्रेन में ना एक लाइट जल जाती है कि अच्छा थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल आ गया है मुझे.
Wow, love it. So please try this breath 5 4 3 2 1.
Yes.
And experience the shift. And if you are going through any of those experiences, please comment, share, talk. Let us know if you want to get in touch with Aksa, and we'll throw you the number and contact and find out what more you want to find out. And it's a pleasure having you, Aksa.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed chatting
Thank
with
you.
you.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you, everyone.